Welcome to Cici's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a seafood boil. I'm going to fill my pot up with water. Then you're going to put your pot on the stove and you're going to turn your knob to medium. And for those who don't have medium, high or low, you can turn your temperature to at least approximately 7 or 8. I will be now washing my crab legs and I'll be washing it in cold water. After you finish washing them, you're going to add them to the saucepan. My lemons into pieces to be added to the boil. After cutting my lemons, I'm going to be adding them to the boil. Seasoning that I'm going to be adding to my shrimp boil. First, I'm going to be adding the Zattarain's crawfish shrimp boil. This is to help give it flavor. Some Goya all-purpose seasoning. Next seasoning I will be adding is garlic herb blend by Mrs. Dash. All these are flavored ingredients for your seafood boil to make it tasty. Then I'm gonna add a little dash of salt. Little dash, not too much. Then I'm gonna add some hot pepper to give it a little spice flavor. And then you can cover your crab legs and let them boil for about 10 minutes. Then you add your shrimp. Now I'm going to be washing my shrimp in cold water. I'm draining off the water, and then I'm gonna add it with the crab legs into the boil. I'm gonna stir it a little bit so that it can get some of the juice of all the seasoning that I put here. Then I'm gonna add my potatoes and my corn. This is going to be some juicy seafood boil. I'm going to cover my saucepan and let it cook for approximately 5 to 8 minutes.